If you try to open Notion on your computer, it may not open at all, or you might encounter a black screen. In such a situation, you can try the following steps to address the problem. One, close all instance of Notion. Go to Task Manager and search for Notion apps. If you find, then right-click on it and then End Task. If you do not have, then go to Next Steps. 2. Check your internet connection. If Notion opens with a black screen, check your internet connection as updates are often applied when you open the app. If internet connection is okay, then try closing and reopening the Notion app again. 3. Clear Notion cache and app. To do this, go to Run and type %userprofile %\appdata\roaming. Then press OK button. Then find a Notion folder and delete it. Now come and open Notion app again. Then you have to provide credential. Then your application might get opened as expected. 4. Open Notion Apps Administrator. Sometimes Notion Apps as admin might help to fix issue. 5. Reinstall Notion app. Just go to Control Panel and find Notion app and then uninstall it. If you have multiple versions, then delete them all. Now go to official site of Notion and download and install the latest version. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.